A personal spending plan revolves around one simple concept, the 50-30-20 rule. This simply states that you divide the amount of money you earn after taxes into three categories. 50% is allocated to needs, which are items that you simply cannot live without, such as groceries, housing, minimum loan payments, insurance, and so on. 30% is spent on wants, which are things you could live without but don't, such as entertainment, eating out, and travel. Finally, 20% is allocated to savings and investing. So, there you have it, the 50-30-20 rule. Doesn't that sound fantastic? It only gets better from here. Almost all of these expenses, with the exception of wants, are generally fixed. That means they don't change much from month to month, and thus their payments can be automated in one of three ways. 1. Some expenses, such as investments, loans, or utilities, allow you to set up automatic payments or deposits directly with the company. 2. Other expenses, such as rent, can be paid using online bill pay, a free service that sends checks directly from your bank account to your less modern service providers. And 3. Even your more variable, fixed expenses, such as gas or groceries, can be automated if you pay with a credit card, as automatic credit card payments are simple to set up. Suddenly, budgeting has become a piece of cake. Your needs and investments are now predetermined and automatically paid for you. In fact, this process only leaves you with one number to track, the money you set aside for wants, which you can spend however you see fit. Isn't it amazing? Finally, while we know you are eager to get started, we only have a few ground rules to go over. 1. A great checking account is at the heart of any spending plan. 2. While not for the faint of heart, a good credit card is essential for a spending plan because it makes it simple to track your expenses, build a good credit score, and even earn free money. 3. Finally, the 50-30-20 rule is only a suggestion. So don't be concerned if you need to deviate from it. It is entirely dependent on your current financial situation. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to create your personal spending plan.